Jestina's kitchen. I welcome you all once again, and I hope you're all doing great out there. Today guys, I'm going to bring you a very delicious and delectable dessert, which is a German dessert. Actually, I've never done this before. It's my first time, and what caused this is because I had friends that came over to me when we were grilling sometime last month. She brought me like a basket full of plums, and I didn't even know what to do with them. It was so sweet, they were so delicious. I ate nearly half of it, and then the rest I didn't know what to do with it. Went into Google and searched what to do with the plums, and then I saw this delicious recipe, which is a German dessert, can be made of plums. This is how I decided to bring up this German dessert. So if you feel that it's interesting, stay tuned, watch the video up to the end. And this delectable dessert we're gonna serve with ice cream, and I'm going to show you how we're gonna do that at the end of the video. And it's so interesting, amazing. I was just curious to see how the fruits are going to be infused, because I had to do it and then refrigerate the dessert for about 3 weeks, and then gradually I would have to be turning it upside down until the 3 weeks is up, and then we'll have to bring it out and then serve it. I'm so curious, I just want to know how it's gonna taste, how it's gonna be. Stay tuned, watch the video up to the end, and if this is your first time into Jestina's kitchen, you're welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload you'll be updated. Ensure all necessary components are readily available prior to commencement of the task. I gently combine the rum and the sugar in a suitable vessel, allowing the sugar to dissolve completely. Here is the list of the ingredients. Cut all the plums into quarters and remove all the seeds, as I am doing right now. It's a lot of plums, guys. We have nearly 800 to 900 grams of plums. I trust this video is meeting your expectations. Kindly consider sharing it with your colleagues and friends. After doing all that, transfer the contents onto a plate. I now rinse the raspberries and the blackberries and then transfer them in a deep bowl. scrape or peel the ginger, fresh ginger. After peeling or scraping, chop or cut the ginger round. I am now going to add the sliced ginger and the plums together. And then after all that, I'm going to use 2 cinnamon sticks with 5-star anise. And now everything is set. We're now going to the next procedure, which is the processing of the fruits and berries alternatively in the jar. The presentation of the dish is pleasing and captivating, effectively stimulating the dish for consumption. In the event that you abstain from consuming rum, kindly substitute it with syrup. I'm now going to fill the jar to its maximum capacity with the rum mixture. After filling the jar, securely fasten the jar's lid very tight. Thoroughly dry the jar and store it in the refrigerator for a maximum of 3 weeks. over the course of 3 weeks, the rum and sugar will penetrate the berries. The combination of the berries, the star anise, the cinnamon, the ginger with the plums, I'm telling you guys, will infuse their distinct flavors in the fruits and berries. Guys, I now bring out the German dessert. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. I am so curious. I am inquisitive. We're gonna serve it together with a vanilla ice cream, which is gonna take it to another level. Wow, guys, it's worth it to try something new, isn't it? Let me show you how it looks before we start to. Wow, it is well soaked. Wow, looking forward to it. For a long time. I've waited a long time. 3 weeks was like 1 year for me. So guys, our German dessert is now done and ready to be served. Look how beautiful it looks. We're now going to give it a taste. Wow, 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 this is really good. This you have to try. Guys, this is all what I have for you today from Jestina's kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to help my channel grow. Share with friends and families. See you next week in another edition. Bye. Take care of yourselves. I love you all and stay blessed. Bye.